Hi everyone, welcome back to Property Cloud. I am Roshni and today we are going to talk about a very unique premium residential project which is located in North Bangalore. One that's not just about homes but is actually designed around your child's future. The project is called Century, codename Winningkind, located in Yelahanka, North Bangalore. In this video, we will cover the project overview, location and connectivity, amenities and lifestyle, pricing and configuration, and the booking process. So let's start with a quick overview of the project. Century, codename Winningkind, is a 15.7 acres premium child-centric township built around the philosophy of raise them ready. This project is specially designed for families who want to give their children a better upbringing, a safe environment, and access to holistic development. And the key highlight includes the project, which is spread across 15.7 acres and features a massive 40,000 plus square feet clubhouse. One of the most unique aspects is a dedicated kids-only floor within the clubhouse. There are also 5 themed child development zones based on concepts like magic, delight, and discovery. The project is developed by Century Real Estate, which is a well-known and trusted developer in Bengaluru. So overall, the focus here is not just on luxury living, but on combining learning, growth, and lifestyle in one place. Another big advantage of this project is its location. Yelahanka New Town, which is often referred to as a runway to rise in North Bangalore. Connectivity is quite strong. Kempegowda International Airport is around 25 to 30 minutes away. Hebbal is about 20 minutes away, and Manyata Tech Park can be reached in roughly 25 minutes away. There is also upcoming metro connectivity in the vicinity, which will further boost accessibility. And now coming to one of the most interesting aspects, the amenities. Here, the design is not just about luxury, but about creating a complete family and child-focused lifestyle. The project offers a 40,000 plus square feet grand clubhouse with a dedicated kids activity floor. You also get indoor games, a multi-purpose hall, party areas, co-working and reading lounges, as well as crash and learning spaces. All of this comes together to create an environment where both children and adults can enjoy an active, healthy and engaging lifestyle. The project offers premium 2 and 3 BHK residences with spacious and modern layouts. Pricing is currently on request. For exact pricing, floor plans and the payment details, you can inquire through the link which is mentioned in the description. The project is currently in the launch phase, which means early buyers have an advantage in terms of pricing and unit selection. So if you are looking for a home in North Bangalore where the location is future ready, the developer is trusted, and your children get a complete development focused environment, then Century, codename Winningkind, is definitely worth considering. For brochure, pricing details, floor plans, or to schedule a site visit, check the link in the description. And if you enjoy premium residential project like this, then don't forget to subscribe to Property Cloud. Property Cloud is a PropTech company which directly connects you with the developers for simplifying your home buying process. It also gives you benefits like spot discount, zero brokerage, free pickup and drop services, and many more.